How to add in a birthday or an address for a contact on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the contacts app, and then in the contacts list, scroll down and open up a contact that you would like to make the change. Next, tap on the edit button at the bottom. Then in here, you want to scroll down and tap on view more. Next, scroll down and tap on important dates. Here, there is a birthday or there is a drop down. You can tap on it. You can select other date, such as anniversary day, other, or custom day. So you can give it a brand new name. So whatever it is that you want to name it. And then tap on date. From here, you can select a date for birthday and then tap on done. That's it. After, you can tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. Now to add in address, you can tap on edit, then go down. Here we got the home address. If that address is not correct, you can change it. So Northville Avenue. Then tap on save. You can also add in the city, state. So test city, sample state. In zip 50. Country, my country. Then tap on saved. If you have any other addresses, you can also add it in as well. So here, tap on edit, and then you can add in additional addresses. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.